Unleash your English, exploring gerunds with common verbs. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting lesson on English grammar. Today, we'll be diving into an integral part of English language learning. Verbs followed by gerunds. By the end of this video, you will have a firm grasp on these important language constructs and be ready to use them fluently in your daily communication. Before we get into the list of common verbs followed by gerunds, let's quickly refresh our understanding of gerunds. A gerund is a verb that acts like a noun in a sentence. It is formed by adding ing to the base form of a verb. For example, in the sentence, I enjoy swimming, swimming is a gerund. Easy enough, right? Now that we've refreshed our memories about what gerunds are, you might be wondering why we're focusing on verbs followed by gerunds. Well, in English, certain verbs are typically followed by gerunds. Recognizing and using these common structures correctly will dramatically improve your English fluency and comprehension. Let's dive into our main topic: common verbs followed by gerunds. Here are some of the most commonly used ones. 1. Enjoy. I enjoy swimming. 2. Avoid. He avoids going to crowded places. 3. Suggest. She suggests visiting the museum. 4. Finish. They finished doing their homework. 5. Keep. Keep smiling. 6. Mind. I don't mind helping with the chores. 7. Miss. He misses playing football. 8. Practice. She practices playing the piano every day. Remember, after these verbs, we use the gerund, verb plus ing, form. Now that we've learned these common verbs that take gerunds, let's practice with some sentences of your own. Try using each verb in a sentence, following it with a gerund. This will help cement your understanding and enhance your fluency. Well done! You've made it through another important lesson in your English language learning journey. Remember, the more you use these verbs followed by gerunds in your everyday language, the more natural they'll become. Keep practicing, and as always, enjoy your English language learning journey. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning,